As far as our practice, one of the most important part of our practice is preventative area. We have a great hygiene program. When patients call for cleaning, definitely they do not know their condition. So when they come in, we really assess and analyze everything about their gum issue, plus their teeth, of course. But I want to emphasize on the preventative. In any society, at least 50 to 60% or more have gum disease. And if you include gingivitis, which everybody knows the word, gingivitis, bleeding gums, it's just the beginning of a problem which is bigger and worse and needs a lot more preventative and a lot more maintenance, is that gum disease called periodontal disease, or pyorrhea, some people know that. And that's the foundation of the teeth, which is bone and gums. They deteriorate and the teeth get loose, and then you have loss of teeth. So long story short is we try to do our best to prevent that to happen. You can prevent teeth to get from cavities, you crown them, you fill them, whatever you can do to restore them. But gums are so important, and many people, they don't know, and really periodontal disease do not have any symptoms. The symptoms are very, very painless in a way sometimes, and they're little bleeding, and sometimes, of course, they don't show themselves so aggressive, and suddenly you have pus and you have bleeding, and some people really don't have much pain besides they smell, or they smell their breath, or somebody smells their breath, with halitosis we call it, and that's how they come to the dentist. They go, hey, somebody is telling me, or my wife or husband tell me I have bad breath. So those are the things that we really focus on to make sure we diagnose these early on and do some preventative modes for that. Because there's always implants, of course. There's always dentures, but we really don't want them to go there if we can prevent it. And that's one of my really passion recently. I know it's the most basic and sounds so, routine for everyone, floss, brush, do this and that. But that's something that our generation needs to be reminded all the time, and it's been neglected by the young and the old. So we really take a lot of pride and take our time. And we have many ways to prevent. There's solutions we give to the patient, to mouthwashes or toothpaste, different special stuff, and a special medication that can help them to prevent their gum disease.